This is the cheapest BMW M5 that we could possibly find. This one was for sale for only a few $1,000s. It was left abandoned by the previous owner in his garage for over a year. And it only has one slight problem. Yet, rod knot. So we have to totally rebuild this engine from the ground up, but this time with forged internals. What is the plan today?
To move one car finally out of death row so we can make it live again.
We even tried to convince Matt to finish this build before TX2K.
Man, we just did a solid week of overnighters. If I do that, every single person in the shop will hate me. So no.
Maybe wrong. Have it out tonight. You gotta do it. Send it off to the machine shop, and then you put it in one day. Come on.
No, it's not gonna happen.
Yeah, he said no. So first things first, we have to remove the engine.
Well, I'm going to start by organizing the mess that we had already made when we were in the process of diagnosing this thing. And I'm going to organize and kind of structure some of this around the center of the motor so I can pull any kind of accessory or anything out of the way from the top side. Then we'll raise the car up and drop the drivetrain out the bottom. Awkwardly.
Oh, it's a Ford.
That's like the worst thing you could have picked too. I hate Fords. Car had aftermarket bigger intercoolers and stuff on it.
First piece.
Yep. First piece out of like 1,000. Got a present up in there. Pick. Hey, look, stock hose clip, 10 mil. All of this was from previous owner. Of course he did.
Dude, that's how they come factory. That's those new, they're like Wentworth bolts, but they're sideways. They're like angular bolts. Or acute bolts.
It's fixed. Try not to tear off the rear diffuser. Oop.
Drive shaft's coming out.
Drive shaft is coming out. I'll pull the rear bolts and I'll drop it all the way down so no one smokes their head on it.
Are you hoping to get the engine out today?
I would like to. This got put off for what, like 2 weeks now since I started pulling the exhaust? So.
Yeah. And we have TX2K.
Yeah. So now that 2K's over, I'd like to have the motor out by the end of today, and then I can get back to some other stuff around the shop and then back on this thing. It'd be exciting to see this come out of here. Another socket. I got the E10.
You look like you're really close.
Prepping the table, getting everything in place, getting all my mounts set up, and ready to drop it. And considering that this car is so heavy, I don't want to do it from the max height like we did the E90, just for stability. So. Gonna make a mess.
Got a slight leak.
I'm scared down here, Trevor.
Why?
So one, the motor tried to kill me a second ago. Two, I don't know. There's just something about this seems terrifying. And allegedly now there's 2 broken M5s.
Yeah.
That one will still run before this one.
Oh.
How to know TX2K went well?
Yeah. Your car literally doesn't run.
Does not. No, it runs. Yeah. It's just slightly hurt.
Oh my. That is crazy.
Oh, update for people that actually watch our videos. Super motor got dropped off today at the gentleman that's going to be building it. So that's good news.
Sick.
Yes, sir.
What all left do you have to do?
Kind of winging it right now.
Unplugging stuff?
Yeah. Just checking for hoses that are maybe hooked up that I can't see.
Can we cut to the clip where that motor falls out? Hit the button.
Yeah, see what it does.
Hopefully not what it did last time.
Oh.
There you go.
It's barely cracked.
Let me check vacuum line. That doesn't matter. Driver's side seems okay. Go some more. From the bottom.
No. Sure, look pretty over there, buddy.
I don't see anything caught.
So I do want to check because I had this motor before. You see this plug in right here?
Yep.
Is it tied to anything?
Tied
Like the harness? Is it, what's it attached to?
Itself.
Okay. Doesn't go up to like the body? I see one thing full of.
It's coming out.
Oh no. It's out.
Again? What do you need?
Okay, I was making sure that wasn't fun. Like, grabbing anything.
That guy?
Perfect! Right.
Looking good over here.
Yeah.
All day.
Nice.
Is there footage of Gage going to Mexico this past week?
Not really.
Not really.
Well, nice.
It's out. I'm sweaty.
Someone wrapped the inside of that.
Hmm?
Someone wrapped the headers on this.
Damn.
Alright.
It's quality. So.
So now it all has to really come apart. And time to build it. It's still got a long way to go.
I thought it was done.
We're done for today. I'm going home.
I thought we were gonna start it.
If we kept starting it, it would end up like that one.
But that one still runs.
This one technically still ran.
It's just a big exhaust thing.
Exhaust leak, sewing machine. You
Can
know.
we just fill this one with a little bit of foam and it'll get the compression back. It'll compensate for the bendy boy. JB Weldon taught the piston to make the piston taller to compensate for the distance that it's traveled downwards now because of the noodle rod.
Well, it won't make up for noodle touching side of block.
Well, but that is self-clearancing. We'll open it up. We'll glue some sand on that rod, and it'll just sandpaper it off.
I don't like where this is headed.
Or we could take that rod out and the opposing rod out and make it a 6-cylinder like that one. Just without.
And then it
the
runs
hole.
just fine.
Yeah. We already know it'll work.
So that's the end of this part?
Yeah.
So the people at least know we're working on it?
Yeah. So, official part 2 of M5. Engine is out. And I could just keep following the channel.
To be continued. See episode 3 in about 7 months.